Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me, Abdul Wase, with another recipe. It's sweet but healthy. You have to try it at least one time and you'll love it. So let's start the recipe. Add soaked seedless dates in the blender. 1 cup of oats. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Half cup of walnut. Half cup of almonds. Now adding 4 to 6 tablespoons of water in it. Now blend all of this together until you get sticky mixture look like this. Mixture is ready. Now put the mixture in the silicone ice tray and press it. If you don't want, then you can make balls. Now put the mixture into the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Your healthy walnut bites are ready. Now pop them out. Now take some melted dark chocolate and dip them in. Like this. This is healthy dessert and treat for your family. If you guys didn't, make sure to watch our past videos, so make sure to do. Like and follow for more videos. Our upcoming videos are more interesting, so make sure to watch them. Now all the yummy healthy bites are ready. If you guys like our video, please make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye guys.